Welcome to our guide on how beginners can start freelancing with no skills. Freelancing is a fantastic way to earn money while working on your own terms. Let's dive into some easy services you can offer. First up, data entry. This involves inputting information into spreadsheets or databases. It's straightforward and requires minimal training. Next, consider becoming a virtual assistant. You can help businesses with administrative tasks like scheduling appointments or managing emails. Another option is content uploading. Many companies need help uploading content to their websites or social media. If you have a knack for design, basic Canva design is a great choice. You can create simple graphics for social media or marketing materials. Social media posting is another easy service. Businesses are always looking for help managing their online presence. Lastly, explore AI-assisted work. Tools like chatbots or content generators can help you complete tasks more efficiently. Now, where do you find clients? Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Create a profile that highlights your willingness to learn and your reliability. Use keywords related to the services you offer to attract potential clients. When it comes to using AI tools, familiarize yourself with platforms like ChatGPT for content creation or Canva for design. These tools can enhance your productivity and help you deliver quality work. As for earning potential, beginners can realistically earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour, depending on the service and the client. With dedication and a willingness to learn, you can increase your rates over time. Remember, the key to success in freelancing is consistency and building a strong portfolio. Start small, stay committed, and watch your freelancing career grow. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your freelancing journey.